If you are a Galaxy Tab Plus user that feels left out with the S11 series, this video is for you. Oh yeah, this video is finna go down. This might actually be my earliest Galaxy Tab video I've ever done because we got the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra in the silver color over here. And this is me right here, a loyal Galaxy Tab S9 Plus user. Like, I've been using my Plus tablet since, well, I guess just this one, but like, I love the size of this thing. Basically, Samsung didn't come out with a Galaxy Tab S11 Plus, which is why I'm kind of counting on them to come out with one next year, but right now we just got the Ultra. So let's see what Samsung changed up in 2025 and if this thing's actually even worth it or not, because they also even don't have LTE. I just thought about that. Which is exactly why I'm at the legendary unboxing table. But this is gonna be Samsung's latest 14.6-inch tablet. Okay, apparently y'all ain't hear me in the back, so I'm gonna say it again. This is Samsung's latest 14.6-inch tablet. That's a lot of tablet, bro. And this is exactly why I question the practicality of a tablet this big. Cause look, like there's no reason why a tablet should be bigger than my laptop. That don't make no sense to me. This 14 inches right here. That's my Galaxy Book 4 Edge. I wanted a 14-inch laptop because that's just best for me. But yeah, we have a 14.6-inch Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. I thought that was wild. It's been like that since the S9 Ultra, but yeah, let's check this out. So we got the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra here in the front, and then we just have a pretty basic box, man. And then also you can see over here, we have this big old tablet with no more Bluetooth S Pen. So yeah, that's no longer a thing anymore. So I don't know how you feel about that. I mean, me personally, I don't really care for Bluetooth S Pens because I never really use adjusters or nothing like that. But you know what? That's just me. That's just me. But yeah, just looking around the box, it's a pretty basic box. But let me go and tell you about that while I go ahead and unbox this Tab S11 Ultra. So I was basically saying earlier, like, I just really don't get that. A 14.6-inch tablet. It just really don't make that much sense to me because ain't tablets pretty much supposed to be like big screen portable tablets? This don't really seem that portable. 14.6 inches. I know I keep saying it, but I got to. I promise you I'm not trying to make this weird. But let's go ahead and check out this Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra that Samsung did provide to me. So I appreciate you, Samsung, for sending this out to me. You already know if you watch my YouTube or Rumble videos, like this is not gonna alter my opinion or nothing like that. I'm always gonna be honest no matter what company send me or like fly me out to or what. It don't matter to me. Because I did hear a lot of people, especially on Reddit, saying like you should just stick to the Tab S9 or the Tab S10 Ultra because it kind of seemed like the same exact thing and they removed features like the Bluetooth S Pen, so we'll see. But one big thing I heard that they got rid of was the vibration motor. And that is so stupid to me. I don't know why they got rid of it. It wasn't that good to begin with, but at least we had it. I like to have it. But man, look at this tablet right here. That is a beast. Look at this Tab S11 Ultra, bro. Man, that's a big screen. And then we got that little notch that they kind of slimmed down over there, which kind of make it more like a Galaxy Tab A series, but I don't know, that's just me. Actually, no, I'm lying. It's not just me. Everybody's saying it. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, man. Yeah, there's no vibration motor. It turned on and it didn't vibrate. Samsung, what are you doing? I do love the size of this screen, but you're definitely gonna have to go ahead and get a case for this thing because like this is a lot of tablet to handle or just not no stand or nothing like that. Definitely get you a little keyboard case or something. Which by the way, Samsung does not have a book cover keyboard yet. They do have a slim model, but they don't have like the full size with the trackpad and all that yet, so they're gonna come out with that, I think 2026 or something, or later 2025. That's what I'm hearing, but you will see in another video that Samsung did also send me the book cover keyboard slim, so I'll just do a separate video on that, you will see. But we have our usual books, and then we got like a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and I mean, that's about it. So I'm not even gonna throw it to the side like I always do. I'm gonna be nice to Samsung for once. And then we have our micro SD card slot, so yes, we still have an SD card slot. That's dope. Putting this to the side over here, let's go and check out what we got in front of us. So this Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, man, that's a lot of tablet for me, man. There's no screen protectors or nothing like that out there yet. I looked on Amazon and pretty much all the screen protectors I seen was like repurposed Tab S10 Ultra screen protectors, and they still had like the bigger notch cut out here, so I'm not really getting that until like a good one come out, which just kind of shows you like there's just a lot of things that Samsung kind of like, I was thinking it was kind of questionable. You can't use the same accessories from your Tab S10 Ultra because the pins are on the back now, as you can see. We don't have a vibration motor no more. Some people are kind of skeptical about this, but me, really, I don't really care. You don't have a Plus model, and I just thought there was a couple other things that's just sketchy, but I just hope this end up being a good tablet because like maybe I might end up telling you by the end of the time I review this tablet to just get the Tab S10 or the Tab S9. We'll see. But we do got a couple other improvements from like the Tab S10 Ultra where we got like a new MediaTek processor, so I was hearing like they actually did improve improve it. And I was kind of skeptical on MediaTek because, and by the way, I'm putting in my email, but I was kind of skeptical on MediaTek because it's not Snapdragon, you know what I'm saying? So like, I was just like, is this really gonna be good or not? But I mean, I heard a lot of people saying good things about their MediaTek processors, so I mean, I guess we'll see. But let's go and set up our fingerprints. So let's go and hit on register, and oh, we have an under display fingerprint scanner still. Okay, cool. So is this gonna be, okay, yeah, that's still gonna be not the ultrasonic or nothing like that, but it's gonna be the optical fingerprint scanner. I guess I'm kind of switching up these videos because I'm trying to improve my videos and not have it just suck as much. I don't know, that's just me. I'm still gonna go ahead and fast forward through the setup like I usually do in my future videos, but for right now, I just wanna go ahead and just yap while I go and set up this tablet. So I figured that just made the most sense, right? Anyway, agree, and then it looks like we're about done with the setup here. Let's go and click on next. Bixby, we still got Bixby. Yes, it's not gone. We're not just replacing it with Gemini. And here we go. All right, next, boom. Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, please wait. I think this is the last step. And all right, let's look at this big old tablet screen behind my camera. I don't really get the full effect of nothing like that yet. But oh snap, we got that One UI 8. I completely forgot about that. So we do got One UI 8 on this Tab S11. So let's go here to the about, and let me not go ahead and just show off any info I don't want to. Yeah, One UI 8. So if we go here, Android 16. This is looking dope, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, this is gonna be my first Ultra tablet. So I'm kind of new to this whole big tablet experience. We'll see how this works out for me. This right here, this is what I'm used to. So I got my Tab S9 Plus, and if I go and unlock that thing, let me go ahead and just do that. All right, clear my notifications, make sure I'm not exposing myself. All right, cool. So yeah, difference between the Tab S9 Plus and the Tab S11 Ultra, I mean, it's definitely a big difference, bro. Pause. But this right here is my baby. I love my Tab S9 Plus. I use it every single day. I got the book cover keyboard, and I got the keyboard kind of over there where I was recording in the first place, and I have the case and everything with the whole like trackpad and whatever. Like, I've been using this for a minute. So this is gonna be interesting to see if this big old tablet right here can replace my, I love the size of my Tab S9 Plus. But as you can see, the notification shade got a little bit different. So if I go and swipe down right there, you can see it blurs it out, everything right there. And then with the One UI 8, we don't do that. Now, of course, I can also do this. So if I go to the panel settings, hit on together, and then if I swipe back, as you can see, now I have it just the way I want it, but I love the way this UI looks, bro. Also, something that I'm not really used to is we have the matte screen over here. So if you look at that, yeah, it's definitely a lot better than this. So this is gonna be a screen protector, but still, you can see the difference, right? But yeah, we don't have a vibration motor. We don't have a Bluetooth S Pen. We is kind of removing a lot of things that I liked. Like I said, I didn't really use the Bluetooth S Pen, so I'm not really that mad at it. And you can see right here, that's where you're gonna put it now at the top of the tablet. So, I mean, if you want to know that. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of sucks, but I don't know. Like, maybe it depends on the person, right? But what's this over here? Let me go and click on that. Oh, I hate that. This is the new Samsung DeX. So immediately, let's go over here and let's go find Samsung DeX. Oh, looks like we're gonna have to add it. Let's click on the pencil. Let's click on edit, and let's look for Samsung DeX, because this new Samsung DeX is not it. It's basically floating windows, and I don't like this. I'm not really sure how we get here though. So let me see here. Let's go and click out of the Samsung DeX mode, and let's just go back to the settings, right? Found in connected devices. Let's go to Samsung DeX and let's go ahead and find this. So wait, do we not have classic DeX anymore? No way. Guys, I think they removed classic DeX. Oh, that's so stupid. Samsung, why would you do that? Samsung ruined one of the best things that they had, which was classic DeX, which now looks like you have to go ahead and plug this into a computer setup or something like that to go and get it. Man, that's stupid. Or you have to use wireless DeX, but this right here, this is basically a new Samsung DeX. Oh yeah, I hate that a lot. Samsung definitely ruined Samsung DeX. I hope they bring this back to the way it was, because that is not it on One UI 8. But y'all, this is gonna be my first impressions of the Tab S11 Ultra. It just seems so bad so far, but man, like, where's my Samsung DeX at? That's not Samsung DeX. Those are floating windows. Do you want to know what real Samsung DeX looks like? Let me go and show you that. This is real Samsung DeX. That is real Samsung DeX, where I have a desktop. I have my apps over here. I have Google. I can pull this up. Yes, this is real Samsung DeX, where I can go ahead and pull up my apps and everything, and I can just go ahead and just do my thing, whatever. It kind of looked like Chrome OS or Windows or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, this is Samsung DeX. I hate what they did to this over here. So yeah, I gotta talk to the CEO, because I saw him when I was at Galaxy Impact, and I don't like this. So Tim Rowe, Kim Jong-un, whatever your name is, like, we need to get this regular Samsung DeX back to the way it was, because I think everybody can attest for me in the comments. We don't like this. I told y'all. lot of free stuff ain't gonna alter my opinion, but at least I'm honest, man. Like, I don't know. Like, I think this is gonna be a good tablet, but so far, like, some of the things that Samsung's doing just really don't make that much sense to me, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, let me know what y'all think about the Tab S11 Ultra in the comments below, but I'm about to go get up out of here, man. So hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, or go and follow me on my social media, Eddie Centec, and Instagram and X, and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. Like I said, I don't really want to criticize this tablet too much because I just got this thing, so I really don't want to go ahead and just slam it already because I think it is going to be a good tablet. Like, this Tab S11 Ultra looks beautiful, man. I know the camera's going to look decent. If I go and pull that up right now, actually. Oh yeah, it's not decent. It's actually not bad at all. It actually do look pretty decent. I'm gonna flip that around, and I know I heard the performance is good on here. Like I said, I know it's gonna be a good tablet, and I would love to go ahead and try out this Ultra. We're gonna find out. It's just those couple of things. I just had to go ahead and mention it, cause man, that's just like, I don't understand it. Samsung just makes decisions sometimes that I just don't understand. I'm literally thinking in my head, like, what were they thinking? But you know what? It's gonna be very interesting to see if this 14.6-inch tablet can take me away from my 12.4-inch tablet. Like, I love this thing so much. And also, I just want to put out there real quick, I am very impressed by the slimness of this thing with how big it is, and like, we'll see how the battery life goes because I heard the battery life is good on here too. Well, at least on the Tab S10 series. We'll see about the Tab S11, but like I said, we'll see. That's what reviews are for. But for right now, I'm about to go ahead and get up out of here. So hope y'all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, man. I'm gonna get up with you later. Peace out.